The following ripped from the headlines presentation will focus on cyberbullying. The learning targets for this presentation include a cyberbullying overview, why cyberbullying is important, examples of cyberbullying, how to raise awareness, looking to the future, and takeaways. Now let's take a quick look at a cyberbullying overview. Cyberbullying is an evolving issue that demands special attention not only from teachers and parents, but everyone as a whole. Cyberbullying takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. Now let's take a look at why cyberbullying is important. Cyberbullying is an important issue that must be addressed because it can harm everyone involved. It's also important to note that some cyberbullying can be defined as unlawful or criminal behavior. Unfortunately, if people are not aware of this issue, the problem of cyberbullying will only multiply. Now let's take a look at some examples of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can occur on social media, text messaging or messaging apps, instant messaging or direct messaging, online forums and or chat rooms, email, and online gaming communities. Some specific examples of cyberbullying include harassing or threatening someone on social media, posting private embarrassing photos online without that person's permission, starting a profile page that rates people's appearances or sometimes personality, verbal abusing other players in online game rooms, creating fake accounts that ridicule someone, and spreading gossip rumors online via text message or messaging apps. Now let's take a look at how to raise awareness on this issue. In order to raise awareness, teachers and administrators can take initiative to inform students, parents, and the community on what cyberbullying is and the effects that come with it. Schools can take part in organizations or programs like No Place for Hate. This program allows students to attend a No Place for Hate school meeting where students learn about the organization, learn about improving the school climate, and take place in a No Place for Hate pledge. Parents can also help raise awareness by communicating with their children about cyberbullying, monitoring their social media sites, and establishing rules regarding digital behaviors. Now let's take a look into the future. Among students, 15.5% are cyberbullied and 20.2% are bullied on school property. In order to decrease the percentage and have an impact on society, schools, parents, and communities must be aware that they have a responsibility to educate students of the seriousness that comes along with cyberbullying. Everyone must work together to combat cyberbullying and prevent it from multiplying in the future. Now let's go over some takeaways. All in all, it's important to remember that cyberbullying is an evolving issue that demands special attention. If people are not aware of this issue, the problem of cyberbullying will only multiply and continue to do so. And last but not least, in order to decrease the percentage and have an impact on society, it's vitally important that school parents and communities are aware that this exists and help to educate students and their children of the seriousness that comes with cyberbullying. Thank you.